How y'all doing? Back with Live in Color. About to get started cooking. Let me tell you, we got a very special video for y'all today. We were fortunate enough to get some Blue Apron stuff. And if y'all aren't familiar with Blue Apron, we're not sponsored by them. But if you guys want to sponsor us, by all means, send it our way. We'll definitely cook it up for you. But we were fortunate to get our hands on a meal. Basically what they do is they package meals with fresh ingredients and they get it shipped to your door or delivered to your door, and you have meals for the week. You can cook it however you want, and usually people get about 3 meals for the week, and you can divide it up however you'd like. Each meal serves about 2 people or 4 after that. So you can split it with somebody in the house. Now, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Live in Color Media on Instagram. It's Live in Color on Twitter. And let's get started. That food tastes good. She said, Chef BoyAD. Oh my God, you cook it up so G. And the food, it just looks so free. It just is calling to me. So we're gonna check it out today. We're gonna see how good this meal comes out. We got fresh ingredients. We got a whole bunch of stuff. This is what we're going to be cooking up today. We got some pulled pork burgers with some fresh coleslaw. And a lot of cheese. Definitely a lot of cheese in here. So we're going to get started with all this. Dicing up some vegetables. Getting started with the mixing the meat and all that. We got this little barbecue spice blend that I'm very excited to try. And we also got this southern spice blend, which I'm very excited to try. So let's see how it goes, guys. So, before we get started today, I have a very special guest with me. The producer, the other half of Live in Color, makes all our audio visual needs. Hudson here in the studio to cook with us today.
What's happening, guys?
You're a little too tall, bro. I'm gonna have to tell you to get down in the frame. Yeah. We gotta match heights over here. Yeah, cause AD.
Pretty short.
6'5". Nah. I don't know. All right. So let's get it started. We're going to start with the coleslaw today. That's chopping up the lettuce, the carrots, and adding in some apple cider vinegar and some other stuff. We'll let you know. First, we got to wash the vegetables.
It's essential. I was just holding them in your hand.
Oh, that's a fact.
Yeah, that's whisk together the sugar, half the vinegar, and half the mayonnaise. Okay. We don't have a whisk, do we? We do. Look at that. It's quite the professional kitchen. Mayonnaise. I didn't even use the whisk. Cut out and discard the core of the cabbage. Thinly slice the leaves. Peel the carrots and grate on the large side of a box grater.
So immediately I'm gonna let you know that I'm smelling this apple cider vinegar. Smells, clears the nasal pathways right up, man. Hudson's handling the lettuce and the cabbage.
It's just cabbage, there's no lettuce.
Cabbage, yes. And the carrots, the coleslaw.
I'm handling the carrots too, apparently.
Yes. Oh, you do carrots?
You don't know how to peel carrots.
I don't.
We'll just use.
I'm not a big fan of carrots. I used to eat a lot of carrots when I was little. And then one day that just stopped.
Good for you.
Yeah.
You need better vision. I think.
No, but I just hated carrots after that day.
What day?
Day
Was there a psychological trauma that you had horrible carrots one day?
Nah, I mean maybe low key. Yo, I don't really remember.
You have to get Freud on the case.
I have personal vendetta against cheese graters, and I'll never mess with one ever again. So Hudson got it. I'm not touching it. They have to give me new knuckles.
Alright, carrots are done. No jokes about what I'm doing right now, okay?
What? The next step is to grate the cheese, though.
You got it, man.
Come on.
Who wants to see AD?
It says on the large side. I need you to watch this then.
No. You do it on the small side.
It says do it on the large side.
What? Are you just saying that?
I swear to you.
Okay. Boom.
But I think you have to put that in there too, bro.
Does it say?
Yeah, all that. That's how you make coleslaw. You combine all that
Okay,
shit.
so
Yeah.
all of it. Okay, so now I put it in this bowl.
No. Move the lettuce back in that bowl. Definitely need that bowl for something else.
From one bowl to another bowl to another bowl.
Yeah, we just wasted 3 bowls. So, Hudson wouldn't let me not do the cheese, and he's making me do the cheese on the cheese grater against my best wishes. But he's over here handling the coleslaw. We mixed together the apple cider vinegar, mayo, cabbage, carrots, and yeah, that's what it looks like. He's mixing it up. So basically,
Look at that.
they're saying it has to marinate for about 10 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Then they told us to grate this cheese. As you can see, I'm not a big fan of the grater, but it's doing the job. That is what I will do. Alright, so next up, finally chop the peppers. Where's the peppers?
Nice sweet pasta peppers.
Alright, so finally chop the peppers. Yeah. Recently learned how to cut properly.
I think you mix in
The rest of the apple cider vinegar.
Pitmaster.
Wow, this actually smells like pretty fantastic, I'm not gonna lie. The peppers and the barbecue sauce just adds like a nice aroma. Alright, so now we're gonna get started on making these burgers. Alright, so we have our meat thawed right here. And half the barbecue spice blend.
Salt and pepper. The special LiveInColor spice blend. That will
It is.
secret.
There's a special blend. And if you watch my spice video, maybe you know some of the things in it. Maybe you don't. The patties are formed. I'm gonna throw them in the pan. We're gonna let them cook for a little bit. And it's all gonna be fuego. Fuego Vantego. Alright, so I'm gonna just throw these on.
Ooh, listen to that.
So we got the grated cheese right here. We got the peppers and the barbecue sauce. The rest of the mayo from the coleslaw. And we got this southern spice blend. We're only going to use half of this. So we're going to mix all this stuff together. I'm just mixing everything up right now. All this stuff. The peppers, the cheese, the rest of the mayo, half of the southern spice blend.
Wow. Those look incredible.
Alright, gang. So we finished the meal. We got our pulled pork burgers, as well as some pimento with red peppers, cheese, all that. We got coleslaw on the side. Now let's go in for the taste test.
Let's try the coleslaw first. The flavor's good. I feel like we could use more sauce.
Yeah, if you're used to more mayonnaise in your coleslaw, which I am, it's not like that, but it has a nice fresh little feel to it. It's definitely not bad. It's like decent. I'm going for a bite of this burger though.
Let's do it.
It's been calling my name.
Wow. You have some drip all over you.
I know, the juice, man.
That is really good.
Yeah, super tender, really flavorful, really nice. Alright, So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, LiveInColor Media. Follow us on Twitter, it's LiveInColor. We appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this meal.
Also, we hit 100 subs.
Oh, we did.
So we got a
Shout out to
giveaway,
y'all.
maybe?
We got a giveaway coming up. Stay tuned.
Check Twitter, check Instagram, it'll be on there.
Bet. Let's get it. Peace.